Picture yourself in the 2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Answer the call to adventure in refined luxury in the Grand Cherokee. It brings rugged versatility, advanced safety features, and passenger-focused technology along on every journey. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: pre-collision system, lane departure warning, keyless entry, V6 cylinder engine, heated mirrors, keyless start, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, backup camera, aluminum wheels. You don't have to sacrifice comfort to get all-terrain capability. Drive the Grand Cherokee.